I've reviewed a lot of different inflators / pressure gauges, and this JACO unit has really impressed me. Let me show you some of the key features and what I like about this one. First off, you'll notice all around great build quality. Everything fits together well. The digital readout up here is securely mounted on the tool. It's not wiggly or anything like that, like it's gonna leak air. Inflator valve right here, deflator / bleed button right here. But the coolest thing that I find about this inflator is this piece right here. Let's go ahead and hook this up to some air. Now watch how easy this is to put on my valve stem. I just push that on the valve stem and it's attached. And you'll also notice that the digital readout automatically came on as soon as it sensed air pressure. Now you'll notice right now, I'm still clamped onto that valve stem and it's not leaking any air. So if I want to take this from 24 PSI up to 30, I can very easily do that. Right there, I'm at 30.5, and notice it's on there, it's not leaking air. I'm done. All I got to do is push this little button and it pops right off. The thing that just impresses me the most about this is the ability for it to clamp on to that valve stem. And as you can see, I'm reading 22.5 pounds, and I can leave it there and I can inflate, go up to 30 again. I went a little bit too far, so I'll use my bleeder valve, let a little air out. There I'm right at 30 pounds, and I'm not touching anything. It's clamped on. So that's just really impressive with its ability just to push on, latch on to that valve stem and stay there. And when I'm done, I just push that little button and it pops right off. So this is just a really impressive inflator that works really well.